let's make plantain moi. All the ingredients used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Kindly check that out after watching this video. Here I'm going to show you a simple way to make this plantain moi without using plantain flour. All you need are unripe plantains. Why? Because these unripe plantains will give this pudding this strength that will help it form. Do not skip these unripe plantains, because if you use only the ripe plantains, you will end up with watery moi. You will not really like the end result you will get, okay? As you can see, I'm just blending both the ripe plantains and the unripe plantains with little water, and for 6 ripe plantains I use 3 unripe plantains. Here you can see my already blended crayfish, my pepper mix which are introduced earlier, and my onion and yellow pepper mix. I blended this to be very smooth. This is also my deboned smoked mackerel fish, and the star of the show, which is the blended plantains, the ripe and the unripe plantains. With a whisk, I just whisk this to get, a nice consistency. As you can see, my consistency is thick. If at this point your consistency is watery, then your plantain moi will definitely not form well. I just added my onion and my pepper mix. I whisk this properly to combine. Before adding my already blended pepper mix, I want to also note at this point that you should blend your onions and your pepper differently. Don't blend them with the plantain, because it will further make the plantains to be more weak, okay? Just blend them differently and then stir them together. Kindly like this video if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section if you have ever eaten plantain moi. Season this, I added my crayfish. For me, this does not need any seasoning cubes because already it is very sweet. Before seasoning this with salt to my own preferred taste and some palm oil. I'm using palm oil because I want it to give this plantain moi this reddish color and also that authentic taste. What we do next is just combine and stir this properly. One thing I want you to note is my consistency. You can see that this is not watery. You don't want your end result to be watery. That is why you need 6 ripe plantains to 3 unripe plantains, okay? So here I'm just topping up my smoked fish before tying them in my uma leaves, otherwise known as banana leaves. This is not a tutorial for tying moi, but if you can just use your eye and just glance through, you will get it. But do not worry, I will be doing a very detailed video on how to tie moi moi using plantain leaves. Super thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always watching my video, my beautiful people. If you have not liked this video, please do so. Like this video and let me know in the comment section if it is your first time hearing about plantain moi moi. For me, this is not my first, and it used to be one of my favorite meals way back. Do not also forget that these plantains cook using heat, but don't also forget to always top up water. If not, your moi moi will get burnt. As you can see, our end result here looks so good. This was when I just brought out the plantain moi moi from the pot. It was still very hot here. That's why it's not even looking very thick. But by the time you allow this cool down, then you get that very strong and thick consistency. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.